At Aira, we believe switching to a heat pump should be simple and hassle-free. And with the Aira Experience, we take care of everything in just 6 steps. You are now at step 2, your home energy assessment. This is where we assess your home's characteristics to design a heat pump system that guarantees comfort and efficiency. At the end of the assessment, you'll receive a fixed quote and an estimate of how much you will save compared to a gas boiler. Once you have accepted your quote, your project planner will arrange a technical survey. During our visit, one of our technical surveyors will perform a detailed room-by-room heat loss calculation, check your current heating system and electrical setup, and confirm where your heat pump should go for optimal performance. All of this is captured in our configuration tool, creating a 3D model of your home. It allows us to design your system with precision and helps us continuously monitor and optimize its performance, keeping you cozy for years to come. And with our all-inclusive plan and 15-year Aira guarantee, you can be just as confident in its performance as we are. Once your technical survey is complete, our expert system design team gets to work. Using our configuration tool, we analyze heat demand and flow temperatures to ensure radiators or underfloor heating are sized correctly. The result: a system designed for maximum efficiency, keeping your home warm and energy cost low. Once your system design is ready, we will schedule your installation and order all the necessary equipment. Most installations take only 3 to 4 days to complete. First, we prepare your home, protecting floors and furniture, turning off utilities, and safely removing your old system. Then, we will install your outdoor and indoor units, run pipes and electrics, and fit any new radiators. And finally, we will commission your heat pump, fine-tune its performance, and walk you through how it all works. We will also tidy up, leaving your home just as we found it. All that's left for you to do is unlock even more savings by switching to an electricity tariff, optimized for your Aira heat pump. Once your heat pump is up and running, our job isn't done. We are here for the long haul with systems and support that keeps everything running smoothly. With AI-supported remote monitoring, we continuously optimize performance, fine-tune efficiency, and launch software updates, all without needing to visit your home. Need support? Our 24/7 customer care team is always just a call away. And because we handle every aspect of your switch, you get an all-inclusive plan that covers every part of living with a heat pump, including our industry-leading 15-year Aira guarantee, which features a product and installation warranty covering all parts, labor, and maintenance, a comfort guarantee promising a cozy home even on the coldest day, and a performance guarantee ensuring your heat pump always runs at least 4 times more efficiently than a gas boiler. Your all-inclusive plan also includes a maintenance visit every 2 years, premium app features, AI-powered heating optimizations, and a 4G connectivity if your Wi-Fi drops out, so you will always stay connected. This is how heating should be. That is the Aira Experience.